Go ahead, boo. This is the liquor code. You know what I'm saying? This is the liquor code. You know what I'm saying? You just roll back and forth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like that, yo. Like that. Show these girls how to do it, B. Wait, hold on a minute.
Wait. But what do I?
Yo, hello?
Go, no?
Yo, what up, Ray? Nah, B. Alright, cause you owe me money, son. Yo, look, what? You know what, let me tell you something. Cuz I'm gonna come around the way tonight. If I come around the way, if you ain't got my money, I don't know what to tell you, dog. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to tell you. So I come up in there, you better have my money, you do it Costa Nostra. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Help me.
Yeah, that's it, boo. 30 seconds, boo. Yeah, 30 seconds, boo. Yeah.